flashback. End of flashback.
Hello everyone, kasama po natin si Ma'am Maria. Ma'am Maria? Okay. Ma'am Maria, what is your costume for today?
My costume is Chongyun from the Genshin Fan Project.
Okay. Is this your first time to attend a cosplay event?
It's my second time.
Okay. And how is the experience?
It's very fun. Everyone is very kind and nice.
Then, what is your top 3 or top 5 best in all you watch in anime?
I haven't watched that many, but some of my favorites is Mob Psycho, Wonder Egg Priority, and Toilet Bound Hanako-kun.
And do you have any plans in the future to cosplay?
Not for sure, but I might.
Okay. And what is the most iconic for you anime or costume?
Costume. Hanako-kun, I think.
Okay. Once again, thank you.
Hi guys, please like and subscribe to Alex Pangilinan.
Hi everyone, please like and share and subscribe Alexander Pangilinan. Subscribe Alex Pangalinan's YouTube channel. Hi, please do like, share and subscribe Alex Pangilinan YouTube account.
Please follow and watch Alex Pangilinan YouTube channel.
Hi guys, please follow, subscribe and like Alex Pangalinan's YouTube channel. Thank you.
Alex Pangilinan, please like, share and subscribe.
Hello everyone! Please like and subscribe to Alexander Pangilinan YouTube channel.
Hi, please like and share, subscribe Alex Pangilinan YouTube.
Hello mga biyaheros. Kung bitin pa kayo sa aming regular episode, meron tayong mga shorties, meron din tayong bloopers, question and answer, at kung ano-ano pa. Just click, click, click. Click nyo na. Huwag nyo na kayo pinch.